Alright, my last video there was a little confusion about exactly what I was doing when I did the pan and scan. So I'm hoping this one to show you a better way to make the Ken Burns effect, I think it's called. Also, I want to point out, I'm not sure if a lot of people know this, but the guy who's developing, well, some of the guys who are developing the MLT platform that makes both Kdenlive and OpenShot run are also some of the group that is working on Kdenlive itself. So because of this, Kdenlive will always get the newer features, and this new pan and zoom plugin is based on a new, very smooth transitional plugin. It's not the same as it was before. So, in fact, if you look at Kdenlive, it still has the older composite moving picture mode, which will make choppy results again. But I'm sure OpenShot will catch up with the newer plugin. So I'm going to go into detail of how to do it so it looks really professional. Alright, first thing, I'm going to suggest doing these, even though the stability has gotten better, go ahead and do yourself a job of saving at every step. So I'm going to do like test. That sounds good. Saving test. Alright. So one way I like to do is I like to pan back and forth between the two, two images here. So I'm going to start with this image. Now default, it usually rocks at about 5 seconds, I think it is. So we go ahead and we overlap these clips here. Again, this is just the suggested way of doing it. Now I'll do add video effect, fade from black. Now the easiest way for me to do this, I noticed, is a simple zoom, but you can do a left to right pan. So I'll do both. First I'm going to just turn off the top track because we want to focus on this track here. Add video effect, stay there, pan and zoom. Okay, I showed you this before. I zoom out because it makes it easier to see what I'm working with. Beginning and end frame. So my end frame is going to be there. Basically at this point we just kind of drag it. Whoop. I mean, you can do anything you want. And that's basically it. Now when you play it back, it's a nice smooth zoom effect. Alright, do the next one. Add video effect, pan zoom, add a keyframe. This one I'm going to zoom like out, I guess. So this one, more controlled. 70 is my favorite. Oh wait, that doesn't work, huh, does it? 120. There we go. There we go. That's better because you don't want it to be smaller than the image, obviously. And for this last one, we'll do like a left to right pan. That looks good. So zoom. Well, that's right. I got disabled the second effect there. You can do that just by clicking the box. But if you don't click that box and hit render, then it'll be gone too. So you want that effect there. So back out. We'll make everything 150. We'll go from there. Bam, to the other side. That eerie sun look. There we go. And turn that effect back on. Then we're halfway done. Then we can do the top track. So, video effect. Pan and zoom. Oh gosh, I'm running out of ideas of how to do this one. I guess I'll keep doing the 120 and zoom out because that always looks good. I mean, it looks fine. I mean, you know what I mean. And video effect, pan and zoom. That one's sideways, but we're just gonna pretend it's not because I don't feel like resizing it. I'm gonna grab that one like randomly. Yeah, that works. Alright, that looks good. Alright, re-enable all the tracks. And even though it doesn't look quite right, you can see the finished output right here. yeah, so thanks guys. Appreciate all the comments and whatnot. I'll be making more, so peace.